Portugal has actually launched a job seekers visa. This actually entitles its holder to enter and remain in Portugal for the purpose of job search. I know many people out there are going to fall in love with this particular one because they have those criteria that will favor most people out there. Before you apply for this particular visa, these are the things you should take into consideration. First, there is no age limit. Second, you don't need any experience. Third is, any profession can apply. Fourth, there is no language requirement, so you don't have to worry about you taking any language exams. Another interesting point is that you can easily change your visa to a work visa immediately you find a job. This particular job seekers visa authorizes you to work in the country until the visa expires or until you are able to change your visa into a residence permit. If you are searching for the official website, this is it here above. This visa is granted for a period of 120 days, which is renewable for another 60 days and allows only one entry into Portugal. What do you do in case your visa expires? So once your visa expires, you have to exit the country, but you can reapply for a new visa 1 year after the expiry of the previous visa's validity. If, for example, your visa expires in May 2023, you are supposed to exit the country and you can reapply for this particular job seekers visa in May 2024. I will always advise each and every one of you to stumble upon each website, read through before you start up any procedure. Because most of these websites, or majority of these websites, they have everything you need to know in terms of migration. All you need to do is get upon the right website so you can read through for yourselves and you can start the procedure on your own. Let's now go over to documents you need. So first of all, of course, you will need a signed and filled application form, your passport, 2 photos, proof of regular situation in case of residency in a country other than your current nationality, the request of a criminal record certificate, a valid travel insurance, copy of return transport. So in this case, they are talking about, like, if you are booking a flight ticket, they should see that you have booked a flight ticket to travel to the country and of course a return ticket. They also need proof of financial resources equivalent to at least the sum of 3 guaranteed monthly minimum salary. This particular proof of financial resources may actually be waived out if a citizen of Portugal or someone living legally in Portugal actually signs an authorization that they are going to be able to stand as a guarantee for you in terms of food, accommodation, repatriation, and stuff like that. So that is the only situation where these financial resources can be waived out. But if you don't have it, then you need to prove a financial resource. Now, they have also elaborated specific documents here. So please make sure you read through on their website to see which you need and how to start the procedure as soon as possible. Because some of these visa routes, they are only short term. They won't be there for a very long time. So take the opportunity and make use of it now while you still have it at hand. For those who are going to be asking me where they can apply, on their official website, they have made it easy for you to locate their consulate office. It is actually listed in alphabetical order. They also have an e-visa portal, and with this particular portal, all you need to do is create an account and then you can submit your applications through the e-visa portal. After a thorough review, your visa will be granted to you, which is as easy as that. Let me now make your life much easier in terms you're skeptical to start a procedure and you're worrying about job search. On this particular website, which is called Jobs in Lisbon, you can simply get jobs. It is important to note that there are English jobs. I made an advanced search, which was English jobs in Lisbon, and this are what I got. So all of these categorized jobs are jobs which you can see and which you can find in English language. So of course, the Portuguese language is not going to be a problem for you. So with that said, we have come to the end of this particular video. I hope you make use of this information. You apply immediately for your visa, and of course, you migrate, search for a job, and get a way to settle into the country. Thank you all so much for watching this particular video. As I always say, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this particular video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. But until then, do take care of yourselves out there and keep safe. Bye bye.